What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start working on the Ford, please help me subscribe and click that bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2012 Ford E-150. So right now the problem is there's no AC, no blow motor. So I have the car running right now. So right now I have it on low, there's nothing coming out. On medium, high, nothing coming out. But when I switch it to high, the air comes out, so which means the blower motor is working. Usually the Ford, especially with this kind of year, happens a lot on the blower resistor that goes out, and the connector burnt. So you can see I switched through all the mode, nothing, but when I put on high, air started coming out. You need to take out the battery to get to the blower resistor, which is down here. There you take the battery out, there's a tray, the battery tray. There's 4 bolts holding onto it, and right away, like I said, happens a lot, very common. You can see the resistor is burnt out, and it burnt out the connector also. Resistor, it melted into the connector. I try to get the connector to separate out, it won't separate, so I just go ahead and took out the 2 bolts on the resistor, and I'm gonna cut the connector because I'm gonna be replacing it. But if you don't need to replace your connector, you would put 2 flathead in here and open up the lock right here and pull it out. So here's my blower resistor. This is the part number RUC 1006. And it comes with the connector also. Here I stripped down the little cover right here for the wires, and it burnt down pretty much about 1 inch of the wires. You can see the burnt is like down to here, so I'm gonna cut it right here where the good part is. And with the new connector, they give me a pretty good amount of wires, so I already crimped the 3 right here. And when you strip out the rubber piece on the outside of the wire, and if you see the wire is still black, make sure you cut that black part out. Make sure you see the copper showing, so that's get good connection. So I'm gonna crimp my last one. Now when you crimp the new connector, make sure you crimp it on the right wire. So the green would go to the green, the black would go to the black right here. So make sure you do them in the right order. Everything crimped down in the right order. Make sure you give it a good tug. Make sure the wire doesn't come off. And if it's good, go ahead and just reconnect it. There you go. And just go ahead and put everything back. I got to tell you guys, make sure you guys check the blower connector too. But this one looks good. There's no burnt mark or anything. Check the pin on the inside. Make sure it's good. Check the blower motor. Make sure. There you go. I feel a little bit of wind on low. I feel a little bit of wind on the low medium. And here's the medium. And here's this high speed. So just a blower motor resistor, and a very common issue for the Ford. Usually the blower resistor will burn out and then causes the connector to burn out also. It's a very common issue. That's why they sell the resistor with the connector. Now every single mode is working. Low, super low, high is working. So that's it for this video guys. So if you guys new to the channel, please help me subscribe. If you have any comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.